For generations, homeownership has been a cornerstone of the American dream. The image of a family settling down in a house with a backyard seemed like a natural progression for many. But times are changing. A growing number of people, even high-income earners, are choosing to rent for life. Welcome to Do Academy. Today we'll examine the reasons behind this shift towards home renting and the implications on the future of housing. Several factors are fueling the rise of home renters. Renting allows flexibility. Unlike putting down roots in a single location, renting allows people to move more freely for career opportunities or change in lifestyle. This mobility is particularly appealing to younger generations who may not be ready to settle down or who prioritize travel and exploration. While having flexibility is nice, the main reason why many choose to rent today boils down to affordability and financial considerations. Skyrocketing house prices coupled with stagnant wages make homeownership feel like a distant dream for many millennials burdened by student loan debt. Renting can sometimes be a smarter financial decision. This is the reason why Ramit Sethi, self-made multimillionaire and star of Netflix How to Get Rich, doesn't own a home and rents instead. He says his most controversial money opinion is that homeownership is overrated. Sethi is a firm believer that for many people, renting can be a better financial strategy. He's definitely not a fan of the high costs associated with home ownership, including property taxes, maintenance, and the potential for declining property values. He suggests that instead of tying up capital in a house, individuals can invest their money and potentially achieve higher returns. Sethi argues that many people fall victim to home ownership myths, like the idea that renting is a waste of money or akin to helping paying your landlord's mortgage. He highlights that true ownership takes years to achieve due to mortgage structures where most initial payments go towards interest, not equity. This finance expert also doesn't believe that real estate prices always goes up, citing that this idea was debunked in 2008 when the housing bubble burst. And if you tell him that home values doubles every 10 years, he'll remind you of phantom costs that many often forget to factor in, such as maintenance, taxes, and insurance, something that renters don't have to deal with. As negative as he sounds towards home ownership, Sethi, however, isn't advocating for everyone to become a renter. He emphasizes the importance of considering your individual circumstances. If you value stability, plan to stay in one place for a long time, and enjoy home improvement projects, then home ownership might be a good fit. But for those who prioritize flexibility, want to maximize their investment potential, or dislike the responsibilities of maintaining a property, renting could be a smarter choice. He encourages people to carefully analyze their situation and calculate whether buying or renting and investing the difference would be a better financial decision. Or as Sethi would often say himself, run the numbers. This trend towards renting isn't without its impact. A decline in home ownership could lead to a decrease in demand for houses, potentially causing property values to stagnate and even decline. This could have a ripple effect on the real estate market and construction industry. Additionally, with fewer first-time homebuyers, there might be a decrease in demand for new housing developments. On the other hand, this shift presents new opportunities. A growing pool of renters creates a rising demand for quality rental properties. This could attract new investors to the rental market, increasing competition and potentially leading to an improvement in overall quality and amenities offered in rental units. So what does this mean for the future of housing? Will buying a house remain the ultimate goal, or will renting become the new normal? The answer isn't clear-cut. Like Ramit Sethi said, the key is to weigh the pros and cons of renting versus buying carefully, considering your financial goals, lifestyle preferences, and long-term plans. Do your research and make an informed decision that sets you up for success, whether you choose the traditional path of homeownership or embrace the new wave of renting. So, which side of the fence are you on? Do you value putting down roots and building equity through home ownership? Or is the ability to move freely and invest your money elsewhere more appealing? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.